On February 7, 1986, the Philippines held a presidential snap elections between then-President Ferdinand Marcos against Corazon Cory Aquino. Daghan kaayong reports nga naay election fraud nga nangahitabo all over the country. Daghan kunog tikas atong eleksyonan. So protests erupted all over the country. On February 22, 1986, then Defense Minister Juan Ponce Enrile and the Armed Forces of the Philippines Vice Chief of Staff Fidel Ramos withdrew support from Marcos. That sparked the EDSA revolution. Kay nagkadako naman gid ang tension, nagkakuyaw na pod para sa kinabuhi ni Cory Aquino, who was the opposition leader at that time. So she went into hiding. Nahibaw-baw mo kung asa siya nitago. Cory Aquino was then given refuge and hidden by the Carmelite nuns in their monastery found in Mabolo, Cebu City. At that time, Cebu was the stronghold of the opposition party. That was February 23, 1986. So gitago si Cory Aquino sa mga madre sa Carmelite kay grabe nagkagubot kaayo ang Pilipinas. In fact, nanay nagsulti nga mag-revolutionary government na daw ang Pilipinas. The biggest protest was done along EDSA Avenue in Metro Manila and thus was called the People Power Revolution. A few days later, on February 25, 1986, on this day, President Corazon Cory Aquino took her oath and was inaugurated at the Club Filipino in Green Hills. The People Power Revolution ended the tyranny of the 20-year Marcos rule. Naghuna-huna lang ko ba? Murag ni-resonate lang, no? Deja vu ang EDSA revolution in today's society. Well, just presenting to you some real facts.